Hey, my friends, to support our Get Up with Susannah sequences and just in general, these are probably some of the best exercises we all should be doing every day. And you could do them in your kitchen, you could do them before or during your yoga or exercise sessions, but let's do them, okay? So here we go. Start with your 2 feet grounded, and I love to have a support next door to me so that I don't have to worry so much about focusing on the balance and I can focus on the movement. But you don't have to have support. So root down in what will be the standing leg, and then lift up the other leg, and we will begin with hip cars. So rotate out to the side, come behind, and then come forward again, and then go out to the side, rotate out and forward. So it's out, back, in, and up, back, side, forward, and back. So just circle around and alternate your direction. The standing leg is nice and strong, and there's a little bit of engagement with this glute, with this butt, and you'll try not to arch your back too much, and you'll do your standing hip cars, woo, for strength and mobility in the hip. All right, after several of those, we can step out. And now, taking this leg out to the side 8 times. Nice and straight posture here. That was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Woo! And release. And then here, this one might be new to you. We'll take that same movement leg and sickle your foot and come around and rotate the hip, and then come behind your standing leg. So go in front of your standing leg and behind. So we're circling the hip. We're also giving our foot this really great exercise. So let's do about 8 of those. And 3, 4, you know I don't count, 5. As long as you do some, you're winning, and you do them regularly. Okay, and then let's step it out, and then face your chair if you're using one, or if you're not, you don't need to. We're going to do calf raises and lower, not heel bounces, rather calf raises and lower. So lift and lower. So if you go nice and slow, your calves will really feel it. Up and down. Up and down. Beautiful. Let's do 3 more. Up and lower. Up and lower. Last one. Lift up and lower down. And now, if you're using a support like I am, we'll go to the other side. First up, hip cars. Root down in the standing leg. Have a really nice posture. Lift up and open out to the side, and then go rotate back and in and forward. Okay, and then back, out and forward, and up, out, and back. Woo! Hello, hip. Love hip cars. A car is a controlled articular rotation. Control. Key word. And rotation, circle. Very good. Okay, you can do these standing, you can do these on all 4s. Beautiful job. Woo! And 2 feet down, out to the sides now. Root down in the standing leg. Great posture. Out to the side we go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and lower. And now we're going to take the same movement leg and rotate it. So circle around. It's a sickle shape of your foot, and then take it behind you and bring the heel back. So in front and behind. 8, 7, 6, I'm counting this time, my friends, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Woo. And then release, step it out. Turn to face your support. If you're using it, we'll lift up and lower. So go slow and our calves will benefit and get stronger. Good. Up and lower and lift and lower. Let's do 4 more. Inhale it up. Exhale it down. 3, 2, last one, and release. Excellent. Thank you for joining me in this hip and leg strengthening exercise. Do these as a warm-up or at the end of a yoga session, or do them spread out the course of your day. I tend to do them just sort of like randomly throughout the day, like if I'm in my kitchen, and just do them, okay? If you are not yet a member of the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group, go over to Facebook and request to join. We'll support each other in doing bone strengthening exercises every day. And if you don't yet have a copy of the ebook, Get Up with Susannah, this video was created to support the movements I'm offering in the Get Up with Susannah program, where we learn to get from the floor to standing and back down to the floor using the basic structure of the sun salutations. These exercises support those movements. Okay, below this link, below this video, there is a link. You can find a way to connect with me and get your copy of Get Up with Susannah if you don't yet have one. So thanks so much for joining me. Leave a comment. I want to know how your experience is, and I'd love to connect. See you in the next video. Thanks.